Yo, what's up, guys? This is Shapiro Acid. I'm back once again with a wonderful video that I'd like to share with you all. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon below to be notified. This is my new video, so watch out and let's go inside. Stay tuned. Bye. Let's start. Okay, Let's start with everything. How to get free bundle or airtime from MTN. So it's a bingo. It's a math. So let's start. Let's go. Okay, what's up, guys? Yeah, I'm here to show you an interesting way to get airtime or to get bundle from MTN people. I'm here to show you how to get bundle, free data bundle, and free credit to make calls. So now let's get started with everything. But if this is your first time, please subscribe to my channel, Shapiro Acid, and so that you can be notified anytime I post new videos. Thank you. Okay, let's start. Now, before you can get a new bundle, you have to go to your dial list, then you dial *482#. Yeah, when you dial it, then it's only common for MTN people. So then you send it to your MTN line. Yeah, when you say we wait small. Now they said, welcome to MTN royalty rewards. So now here the calls, most of us in Ghana doesn't know that the calls that we make yield points. Anytime you make call, you get more points. So here you can come to check your point. That's number one. So let's press 1. That's our checkpoint. So we press 1. Now they said, dear customer, that's my point I'm having there. Yeah, all the calls that I'm making since the time I bought this SIM. That is my points that I have here. So let's go back and let me show you how to get a free bundle. Now you can see the option 2. So let's go to option 2 and let's see what is there. Option 2. Now you can see airtime and bundle. Now the points that I'm having there, I can use it to buy airtime or bundle. That's what I can use the points for. So I needed a bundle. So let's see. Let's go to 2. Now the point said what 100,000 pieces of points that I'll get 200 megabytes bundle, 20 megabyte bundle for a day. Yeah, so concerning the points we are having, that's the bundle that you need to buy. Now I'm not having 9 points, so let me just go to the first one. Let me choose the first one, for example. Now let's see. They said they are asking me to confirm that yeah, actually I want to buy this bundle. It's free. It doesn't require any mobile money. It doesn't require anything. It's free. So now let's go. Now I have confirmed it. Okay, we need to try again because my network have failed, so we need to try again. So let's go straight to the point again and let's see. So it's very interesting that actually to oh, I'm sure we are here. Yeah, I'm got notified. Yeah, it have come. So let's read the message and see. Okay, they said, oh, yellow, we have successfully redeemed 1,000 points for the bundle. So my bundle have come just in 2 minutes. The bundle have come. So it's a new way that I can get credit from 10 people. Or if you're not having credit, you can get most of your things here. So I thank you all. I urge you to subscribe to my channel for more details. Thank you all.